everyone, today we took the girls to Dollar Tree. We picked out some things for an upcoming at-home spa night for the girls and a couple of other cute little things along the way. So I'm going to turn you around and show you what we picked up today. Let's start by saying that I also used Fetch for my Dollar Tree purchases, and I was thinking I was only going to get like the 25 points you get for receipt. Some of these skin products I actually received 250 points back on, so that was kind of a nice little bonus. Let's start with the spa night stuff that we picked up. So the first thing we picked up were these 4 tubs for soaking feet in. The next thing was each person picked their own bath soak salts. Madeline and Rebecca picked the lavender. Sarah and I picked the rose scented. I only purchased masks for the girls. There's a blue for Madeline, pink for Sarah, green for Rebecca, if I have that correct. I figured that would be just something fun for them because I'm doing this mostly for them. I will do the foot soak with them, but like I'm doing this mostly for them. I also picked up these microfiber facial pads for them to use because I thought it'd be just fun to just like, you know, they don't like mud facials or anything like that, but that way they can wash their face as part of like the whole, you know, DIY spa treatments. That, and let's see, we also picked up these sensitive skin cleansing wipes. Madeline prefers these over any of the other wipes. We like the charcoal ones, but they don't carry those anymore. So of the non-charcoal ones, we prefer these when we're picking up wipes from Dollar Tree. We also picked up a couple of things that were not for spa night. This is for going under the kitchen sink. When I finally get done redoing all the rooms, I will do a video of just Dollar Tree organizational items, but it kind of seems silly to just do a video per room. So I'm waiting until I get all the rooms done. Next thing I picked up was I needed some extra hair ties just for going in my backpack. You'd be surprised how many times we end up using the ones on my backpack more than the travel ones. And the travel ones always stay in our toiletry bag. So this will always stay in my backpack for us to use. This was a cute little fall decoration for the table. I'm going to be adding it onto the table. It'll either go in front of this and put the napkin over here and put this over here or to the other side. I wasn't sure yet, but the reason I purchased it was because it has a holder inside of it. When normally during the rest of the year we have like a little bowl on the table where Sarah keeps her Lactaid supplements for whenever she's eating dairy. She can have like 2 or 3 of those a day and it doesn't seem to affect her fine, and it's being closely monitored and all that. But I wanted to give her something fall and decorative to keep her Lactaid medicine in for when she just has to have those. And we don't even do dairy every meal. It's just like when she has to. But like she wants to eat Alfredo, and if she takes the Lactaid, then she can have Alfredo. So I'd rather just do that. So I'm gonna let her paint this tomorrow while I'm doing my food prep day, and that gives her just something fun to put these in. I also picked up these. These are actually 2 packs. And I thought these would be fun for doing like a movie night theme with the girls, like a movie theater movie night theme. And just buying a bag of popcorn and popping it ourselves, maybe getting like some movie theater snacks and doing something like that as another theme of possibly doing rotating with our spa night, and do something like that like once a month. So that was the purpose of getting those. I thought about getting the big bucket, but it was not, I thought it would be nice to just have smaller ones for each of the girls to be able to hold. If Matt wants to do the popcorn night with us as well, which he's not a big popcorn fan, he would rather have candy. Every time we go to the movie theater, he would rather have candy, not popcorn. So that's mostly for the girls night, but if he wants one, I'll probably just buy him one of the bigger ones and put Matt's bucket of popcorn on it. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.